Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've realized I don't really introduce myself, but you can see my name on my page. But anyways, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. If you are a new subscriber, because I pray in the name of Jesus you're going to subscribe. So if you're a new subscriber, then welcome to my channel. Over here we do all things hair, we do fashion, we do makeup, the whole nine. So yeah, today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig. I think this is one of my best installs ever. Okay, the hair information will not be listed because this is hair that I am testing out. So but I did just want to show you guys the process. Like, it's good content applying wigs. And yeah, so I did do bleaching of the frontal, everything, but I did not record that process because I do have videos of me doing that already on here. But I did not pluck the frontal, but I did pluck a little bit just to see like if the frontal looks good. So yeah, if you guys would like to see this install, then just please keep on watching. So y'all, I'm going to be taking this Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 16 and just applying it over this HD wig cap. I love HD wig caps, y'all, and I'm just going to be using these two and this skin protector on my background is so loud, like Jesus. But to catch up, I'm just going to be showing y'all like this frontal, because look at it, like it's giving scalp, period. So I'm gonna be trying it on. I've already cut the ear tabs to fit my hair, so I'm just gonna be pinning this back and like seeing how I want it to fit on my head. So here I was kind of checking it out to see if I should have really plucked, and I really should have, but it's gonna give anyway. So I'm gonna start by taking the this spray right here. I forgot the name of it, but I'm just gonna spray it around the perimeter of my hair twice. Oh, my voice was going out. I'm spraying it around the perimeter of my hair twice, and I'm gonna blow dry it to let it get tacky before I apply the second product. And here I'm just repeating the same process I did with the previous spray. And once both of those are tacky, I'm going to place the wig down, get it secure, nice and secure, so it won't go nowhere, and melt it with the band. Okay, so now we're about to take it off and see what it's looking like, and y'all don't mind the Slim Jim. My household is addicted to them, okay? But it was giving staying down, like not going anywhere, like not moving at all, period. So I'm going to be cutting the lace like I always do in sections to clip it off with the eyebrow razor. And not at all want to be loud. But anyways, y'all, like I tell y'all, I don't like my setup, so it is so hard for me to cut the lace off on camera, so I'm gonna cut it off camera. this is what we are looking like afterwards. And of course the ear tabs came up. They always come up for whatever reason. But anyways, we just gonna go back over it with some more spray. Go back over the hairline with some more spray. And then you see it starting to melt. Okay then, girl. Period. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this. And I think melt it again, y'all. I think we gonna melt this band down 3 times. So this is number 2. And you guys, you always want to use your blow dryer on a cool setting after each meltdown, because this is going to give a secure hold. I started doing this because at first I was not using a blow dryer at all, and I saw a huge difference. And y'all probably gonna be like, duh. Well, I was being lazy, okay? But this is what the hair is looking like, y'all, after we are straightening it, and it looks so good. And look at the lace. Okay, so I'm gonna go back over it again with the Ruby Kisses shade 16 cream foundation, and just put it on the outside, like where those extra white tabs are from the frontal, and it's gonna blend into my skin. Okay, it's going to be growing out of my scalp now. Like, this is my hair. Okay. Okay, so right here, after that second meltdown, I decided to go with a middle part. So I'm going to be parting my hair down the middle and getting it ready to like hot comb it flat. I don't think I showed this process on camera, but I'm pretty sure y'all have seen enough videos of how to hot comb some hair. Okay. But then we're going to go with this Icy Fantasia spritz, and we're just going to lay that down one more time. And y'all, my hair look a little lopsided. Like, I don't know what's going on. Is it the way that I cut the lace? Is it the hair? What? But anyways, we just gonna use this Fantasia spritz. I'm like spraying it on the back of my hand and then using my finger to press it into the lace. And I don't know, it's just an extra step that I just like to do. So after that, we're gonna melt it down. This is the 3rd time. And then we're coming back with finished results. So yeah, it's pretty obvious that my baby hairs are different, but I am not a perfectionist at baby hairs. I'm trying to get better, but this is the install. Like, am I giving a melt or what? Is it giving scalp or what? And the hair actually looks pretty on camera, but I don't know if I'm a fan. For one, it's too thick. It's 210% density and it's super thick. For 2, I need new flat irons because the ones I have don't get it silky straight. Y'all may be like, it's silky straight now. I used the Chi. Hold on. This is what I used on the hair, and that's what gave it this texture. I was using BioSilk, but it wasn't working, but it looks pretty on camera. There was some shedding, but I think that's because the lace was cut to fit my face. And I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I'm trying to get the best lighting.
Mama?
So, I don't know, it's just not doing what I needed. What is this? to do. But I'm trying to show y'all.
Can you open it?
Everything. So I hope y'all can see. If I missed the part flat ironing, my bad. Now the frontal, I will say, is giving flat. It's giving flat, okay? But that's it for this. That's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, like the video.